Creating customer records is fundamental to any accounting system. Let's start with manual customer creation. So, the next step we want to do is to look at how we go about creating a new customer, and we'll just copy this customer's data in manually. First, we will enter the name. Then we need an address for this customer. So we'll make his billing address and his delivery address the same address. We need an email address for the customer. And then you'll see under custom fields, we also ask for a VAT number, a contact name, and contact numbers. So we'll just quickly fill these in. Then we can also just set the customer's credit limit. And in this case, we'll just make it 100,000. Lastly, just click Create to save the customer record. And now your customer is ready for transactions.